the first thing that we're going to do in order to start programming inside of Excel is we need to enable the developer menu option on the toolbar. So I'm on a Mac in this case, and I will show you how to do that if you are on a Windows. Both of them are pretty similar steps. So in a Mac, we're going to go to Excel, and we're going to go to Preferences, and then we'll go to Ribbon and Toolbar. And then over here on the main tab side, we're going to scroll all the way down, and right here we'll see Developer. We're going to go ahead and check that checkbox and click on Save. And now we'll see that we have our developer toolbar here. We have our developer menu option. If you are in a Windows computer, the process is actually very, very similar. You will go to File, and then you'll go to Options, and then you'll go to Customize Ribbon, and then same thing, it's going to look almost identical to here. Once you're under Customize Ribbon, you'll be on the right-hand side, you'll see the main tabs, and just select the developer checkbox. So again, you'll go to File, and then Options, and then click on the Customize Ribbon, and then you'll end up seeing a window that looks very similar to what we saw over here. It's going to look almost identical to this. And again, you'll just make sure that the developer checkbox is enabled. It is checked.